everyone, welcme back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. From TikTok to the Wife Showmax and now SABC1, congratulations messages are pouring in for the Wife Showmax star Linda Majola, who made himself known with his funny TikTok videos. Film Pillar, the entertainment commentator, shared the casting news. Linda Majola hosts a new show. The Wife Showmax star is hosting his very first show. The SABC one show is called The Wedding Chef, a cooking reality show that matches a chef with an engaged couple while bringing the wedding celebration week for your screens. Guys, Linda Majola is a chef by profession. He graduated with cum laude for his national diploma in catering and management at Durban University of Technology. Besides Linda being a content creator, guys, he also owns a food truck situated near his home at Bonella eThekwini called the Humble Cave. So guys, he is indeed a suitable person for what has been appointed for. The sky is the limit. Congratulations. May the Lord open more doors for you. That's all I have for today. Let's share some love on the comment section. Bye.